Welcome to Healing Supplements. In today's video, we're diving deep into one of the most versatile and powerful natural substances you can add to your health routine. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate or bicarbonate of soda. You may have it in your kitchen for baking or cleaning, but did you know that baking soda has a wide range of health benefits? Stay tuned as we explore all the reasons you should consider supplementing with baking soda. Baking soda or sodium bicarbonate is a naturally occurring compound that helps regulate pH levels in the body. It's known for its ability to neutralize acids and maintain balance in our biological systems. It has been used for centuries in both medicine and home remedies. Our bodies function best when our pH is slightly alkaline. A diet high in processed foods and sugar can make our systems more acidic, leading to various health issues. Baking soda can help neutralize this acidity and support a healthier internal environment. Your kidneys play a key role in filtering out waste and balancing electrolytes. Studies suggest that baking soda can help slow the progression of chronic kidney disease by reducing acid buildup in the blood. If you suffer from acid reflux or indigestion, a small amount of baking soda mixed with water can provide quick relief by neutralizing stomach acid. Athletes sometimes use baking soda to enhance endurance. It helps buffer lactic acid buildup in muscles, reducing fatigue and improving overall performance. Baking soda is commonly used in detox baths because it helps pull toxins from the body through the skin and promotes a more balanced pH. Baking soda has natural antibacterial properties, making it excellent for oral hygiene. It can help whiten teeth, freshen breath, and even fight gum infections. Recent research suggests that baking soda may help regulate immune responses and reduce inflammation, making it a potential aid for those with autoimmune conditions. While baking soda offers many benefits, it's important to use it correctly. Here are some guidelines to follow. Dosage. Start with 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon mixed in a glass of water and drink it on an empty stomach. Too much can lead to imbalances in electrolytes. Timing. Avoid taking it right after meals as it can interfere with digestion. Precautions. If you have high blood pressure or kidney disease, consult with a healthcare professional before using it regularly. If you're interested in trying baking soda for its health benefits, make sure you get a high-quality aluminum-free source. I have an excellent recommendation for you. Check out the link in the comments below to find a trusted source of pure baking soda. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss a video. Your support really helps my channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you valuable health information. See you in the next video.